I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space. Welcome to another one of our craft videos. And we have our two special friends with us again today.
Hi, I'm Haley.
Hi, I'm Sam.
What are we making today?
Nature mandalas.
So here's some of what we did.
Wow.
Nice. I didn't make a sample because I want to just do it with you all today. And what's a mandala?
So a mandala is just a circle. So we're gonna make nature circles. Before we get started, we're gonna do a breath. And just like mandalas, we're gonna do a circle breath. So I'm gonna show you first, and then we'll do it twice.
Okay.
So you start at the top of your circle, and you're gonna take a deep breath in. And then the other way, you're gonna breathe out.
Okay, great.
Okay, so get your circle ready. Breathe in. And out. One more time, breathe in. And out.
That was nice. I like that.
Yeah, me too. I feel good and relaxed.
So what supplies do we need for today?
So we're gonna need supplies from nature like leaves or flowers, shells, pebbles, twigs, and paint, a paintbrush, and a piece of paper.
Okay. I went in my yard this morning and I collected, I'll just show you, we can each show what we're using. I collected a leaf, a twig, a pebble, and I'm gonna try a shell. What are you all using?
I have these little rocks here, a couple leaves.
Great.
I also found a seashell.
Oh,
Nice.
I found a lot of flowers. Found a purple flower, big leaves. I have smaller leaves, a yellow one,
Great.
pine needles. See how that works.
Nice. Peggy, what are you using?
So I'm doing similar things. I have a shell because I have a lot of shell collections in my house. Some leaves, twigs, and some flat little stones.
Great.
Can't wait to see what they look like.
Me too.
I'm excited to start.
Yeah, what's the first step that we're gonna do?
Okay, for the first step, you're gonna pick out your paints. I have 4 colors.
Okay, that's 3 colors.
Perfect. And a paintbrush. And then you can get your first, whatever you choose, a rock, a stone, a flower. And that's gonna be the center of your circle.
Okay.
So whatever color you choose, I'm gonna start with pink.
Okay, I'm starting with orange like I always do.
Starting with red.
I'm making a light blue.
Nice.
And then it's like a stamp. So you're gonna take your flower, and press it down right in the middle to start your mandala.
Okay.
So you can do it either way, like paint onto your leaf or stone or dip it. Can you do either way?
Yeah, that's the fun about this project. I painted it on and I got flowers everywhere, but that's the first.
Okay.
All right, my leaf worked.
Perfect.
Oops.
So now you're gonna take another piece of nature that you have, can be different from the other one. I'm gonna do, let's see, what am I gonna do next? I'm
gonna do some orange.
Nice. I'm gonna try my little pebble.
I'm going to do a leaf.
I'm gonna paint the other. And this one, you're gonna do, you're gonna spread out from your center.
Okay. Cool.
And you're gonna paint this a couple times around your centerpiece.
For this one, I'm just dipping it right in the paint and that works good too.
It's like I'm making a flower.
Right, that's what I was thinking. It does look like a flower.
And mine too.
It does.
Here's mine. Also looks like a flower.
Oh, nice.
Oh, I like the yellow.
Thanks.
I'm ready for my next step.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna pick white. I'm gonna
Okay.
pick another leaf from nature.
All right. You want to try a twig?
I'm doing my leaf.
Use this pretty flower.
I'm mixing some colors today.
Oh, nice. Oh, this really looks good.
The twig,
Yeah, look how it comes out.
nice.
Beautiful.
I just dipped it right into the paint.
That's what I'm doing with this leaf now. This might work. This might look cool. Let's see.
I'm gonna tell you a little joke about a leaf right now. What did the wind say to the leaf?
What did the wind say to the leaf? What?
Oh, no, wait. No. What did the leaf say to the wind?
What?
Please leave me alone. Ah, I'm terrible. Okay.
That's okay.
That was a good one.
Thank you.
That was a good one.
I know, sometimes it's hard to remember jokes.
Yes, it is. Now I'm gonna try this teeny little shell. I'm gonna do this
Oh,
inside part. I don't know, but I'll try it.
I'm gonna show you mine in a minute.
Oh, it works.
does?
Yeah, this is really cool. If you want like an open circle, I just look at that shell. circle.
Nice.
Oh, wow.
Thanks.
I really love how different they're all coming out.
Just like all our art, anything goes. So here's my leaves.
That looks really
I
nice.
love those. I love the color in the center too.
Yeah.
You can't really tell that they're leaves, but I had fun.
Right.
Yeah, it's just really fun to do it.
I'm kind of just using the same leaf over and over. It works.
No, that's what I did. All right, I'm gonna do a twig also.
Wow, these are great.
There's one thing that I forgot to have by my side here.
Paper towels like me?
Yes, paper
Yeah.
towels.
I'm just
I
wiping it on
remember
my
this
fingers.
time.
Just all over my hands, but my hands look good.
Can't
Colorful.
wait till we're all together and I could share the paper towel.
I know. Here's mine.
I love it, Gail.
Thank you.
That looks awesome.
I love it too.
Your hands might get a little messy with this craft, but that's okay.
It's fun.
That's what I just did with the leaf.
Here's mine with some twig.
These all look really great. Wow, Sam, thanks for showing us how to do this. It's really fun.
Yay,
I know,
I'm
I
glad you
love
had
it.
fun.
We
And you
did.
can use so many different materials.
Yeah, anything goes. I'm gonna go back out in my yard later and add some more to this because that was really fun.
I'm gonna pick some flowers today.
Nice. Well, thanks for doing this. And if you'd like to see some more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Yes, that was fun. Bye.